That's what I meant. Okay, so hey everybody, we are in Portland at something called the Red Door Meet, and it's basically like a couple blocks long of cars, a whole bunch of cars, people, cars, all sorts of crap. We got here really early and it was empty. We were one of the first people here, and it's cold, so we've been like hibernating in the car the whole time, but cars are coming, so we're gonna get out in a few minutes and take a look around. So Ashley's here with me, and Preston's right there, and hopefully you saw him. And Nick's out there being a guy, doing guy stuff. And yeah, we'll take you on a little tour of the Red Door Meet in a few minutes.
Hello, we are at what's this place? A car meet?
Red Door Meet.
We are at a place called Red Door Meet with a lot of cars. That's my mom. That's Ashley. That's my dad who just shook his butt.
Hopefully it comes out alright.
What's your name?
My name is Bo. What's your name?
And you're called Crazy Lips?
Yes, sir.
You know my name. I just told you my name before.
Oh, yeah.
What's wrong with you? I don't know your name.
Preston.
Preston, alright. Nice to meet you,
P-R-E-S-T-O-N.
Whoa, he's serious.
Yeah, mess around, man.
I don't want you to get my name wrong.
Does it come
I've
like
been recording for 1 minute.
What up?
That's what I want to need to know.
Yo.
Turned out great. The only problem I have with it is there's only like so many lights behind
Bye-bye.
it. So what I need to do is actually call it out.
Oh, how cute is that? Not that car, move it.
See the little kid?
Yeah, I'm filming him.
Isn't that awesome, Preston?
He's
You want
so
one of those?
cute.
I want one of those. No, because that's too small for me.
Alright.
I want one of those. Bigger. To show me a video of the trunk monkey.
I will.
Better one like that.
You got the video recorder all out and everything.
Document this.
We don't document it, not to remember. Amen.
What happened? What happened?
What did you do? What about that right there?
What? I like that.
Hurry up. Go.
Your feet hurt.
Totally green.
Where's people who are cool?